Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your name in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app. And here in the Pinterest app it opens up in the feed. From here we have to go into the saved menu. And in the saved menu we have to go into we have to tap on this little cog in the top right corner, and then we tap on edit profile. And here if we tap on first name, we can edit our first name and type in anything we would like, and then our last name as well. We can update it, and then if we are done, we just tap on done, and our profile has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.